Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you my next project progress. So I'm basically building this project where user can share the designs, and basically it will be similar to Dribble. I've given it a separate name. Its name is Designfly. I've designed a beautiful logo for this as well, although it's quite similar to Diagram, but yeah, it will be quite similar for this as well because I wanted something similar logo like this for my website. So this is the home page that will be visible when you visit the Designfly website. It has this navigation bar, and then it has this hero section page which shows like how many people have become part of our community, and it has this title and subtitle. Using this button you can get started with it. It has this hero image that I included. Basically it will be the designs page. Like when you visit designs page you will be able to see all the designs. So this is a hero page which I designed, and yeah, this one is in the more details. Like when you visit designs page you will be able to see a drop down where you will be able to select whether you want to see new designs or the popular designs, and you will see all the designs in a grid format where you will be able to see who posted it and how many likes it has. And let's say you want to create a new post, then that page will be something like this, although I've created a simple page. So it will be having like where you can post an image, you can write the title, description, and the next page is where you can basically see particular design. Like let's say I want to see this design, I will click on it and this page will be visible where you will be able to see the design in the full screen mode, and you will be able to see who posted it, like the bio of the person, and sorry, this will be here, yeah, and you will be able to see the description of the project or design that person has written. So in this way we can show the view project or view design page, and then we will be having this view user page. Like when let's say I click on a particular user, I want to see its profile. So we will be able to see the user profile, user name, user bio, and how many designs he or she has posted. All of that will be visible. And we have a simple login page as well where we have this picture, and we have this form where you can enter your email and password and you will be able to sign in. And also you can create your account here by clicking on it on this button, and this form will be almost similar, just having different fields for creating your account. So till now I've created all these designs. Now in the upcoming video, I'm not sure where that video will come today or maybe by the end of next week, because it'll take a lot of time. So I'm planning to build this full stack project using NextJS latest version, and in the backend I'm going to use Appwrite, although you can create your own backend as well, but I'll be utilizing Appwrite so that I'll be able to create this project much faster. I'll be using their authentication, database, and storage. So I'll be using their authentication for login and sign up. I'll be using their storage for like storing pictures of my designs, and database for storing all these information, like for storing user information, for storing project information. So yeah, this is the brief demo of the project that I'm going to build. So yeah, let's see how I'm going to build it, because it'll take a lot of time, and I'm planning to start this today itself. And if this project is completed by today, I'll post the video today, else I'll try to post it by next week. So yeah, thank you guys. Let me know who all are interested for this project. If I get 20-30 likes or maybe more than 100 likes on this video, I'll surely be making this video. I'll surely be making this project, although it's not a compulsory thing, but yeah, I'll be definitely making this video by today or by like next 5 days. So yeah, see you in the next video guys. Thanks.